Can we repost an Instagram post? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open Instagram and make sure to sign in. Now open the post that you want to share. Tap the paper airplane icon under the post. Now select Add to Story. And now you can customize the story if desired. And now tap on your story at bottom left corner of your screen. And then you can simply add this or share this post to your story but not to your main feed. But reposting, or you can easily repost using third-party application for feed reposting because Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature or direct reposting to your feeds. So the alternative option that you can apply is simply you can screenshot or save and post manually. You can take a screenshot of the post if it is a post, or you can easily screen record a real video if it is the video. And then you can easily re-upload as per your wish with a caption giving credit to the original creator. Just remember to always credit the original poster when reposting any content. So you need to know that we cannot repost an Instagram post directly on your feed of Instagram. I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.